Okay, let's quickly look at this IntrepidAI simulation. You've got a download here for the agent and the sim. I'm going to sign in. That's our page that we're eventually going to get. This, you click on that if it doesn't show up, or you go to the settings there. Now, what I want to do is get this active here, the talker, listener, and if I go into my, this is the unzipped agent. We've got to open up a terminal. We've got to grab this command that ROS2 is set up, so this just does some other setup stuff, and then it's /intrepid-agent, and there it's running. Now, if I click over here, what we're trying to do is get these nodes showing up, and strangely, if it doesn't show up there, oh man, let's try another way of getting it to show up. Control, there, okay, not quite sure why it's a little finicky there, but there we go. There is our chatter node, which has a listener, which is over here, and a talker, which is over there. You shut those down, they disappear. Let's see if that actually happens. Okay, maybe by closing it I didn't actually shut it down. There, okay, well that one shut down. Yeah, that's about all I wanted to show.